Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime using chapstick or lip balm, however you want to say it. This is sunscreen lip balm. I don't really use it, so I just want to put it to use and make slime with it. So let's get started. So first I have my glue, and I'm going to pour a little bit of glue. I'm not going to make a lot of slime just because I'm running out of glue, so I'm only going to make a little bit. So there is the glue. As you can see, I only put a little bit of glue because I don't have a lot left. And now I'm going to add my chapstick to it. Put it up like this. Basically going to rake it right here. Okay. And get my little tool and just mix it with my glue. Yeah. So I'm just going to try to break this apart because it's very thick. So yeah. Alright guys, so what I did was basically just smash this with the cap of the sunscreen lip balm, and I got a little bit, but not a lot, so I'm gonna do it again. Smash it like that. See, some over here. Just keep mixing it. It's almost all done. All smashed and stuff. So okay, what I'm going to do is add a little bit more glue. If I can get some out. Okay. And I'm just going to mix it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is add some color to it, which is here. Whatever. To open it right here. Put it back so you guys can see. And I'm going to take this green. It looks like yellow, but it's green. And I don't put glitter anymore because it just gets all over my fingers and my hand, and it's just a mess. Everything I touch, there's glitter on it and stuff. So what I'm going to do is just basically grab this stick and put a little bit of food coloring on it, but I'm not going to put a drop because it messes up the consistency of the mixture because of how much water food coloring has and other things that it has. There. And now what I'm going to do is add a little bit of baking soda to it. Right here, there's a little bit. I'm not going to put a lot. I never do, but I let some baking soda fall on the floor, so I'm just doing this. Okay, now I'm going to mix it. Yeah, some glue over here. Now I'm going to add my solution. That was 3 drops. And it's already starting to turn into slime. Which is pretty cool. It's already turning. I'm not going to add any more solution because you just need to put a little bit. And while you're mixing and kneading it, it should already turn into slime. If you put too much, it will be very bad slime. So I'm not going to put too much. There's some on the corner. And the way I know I can touch it is by like letting it out of my thing. Like I'm going to clean it. It's like nothing on it. So what I'm going to do, now that it's all clean, I'm going to touch it and see if it sticks. And it doesn't stick, so I know I could touch it and it won't stick to me. But I don't know if I can hold it yet. Okay. See? It's nice and stretchy. It's actually pretty nice. Really soft too. So stretchy. Yeah, I really like this slime, man. Look how stretchy this is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. And share this video too. And if you didn't like it, you can press the thumbs down. It's all good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!